Listen up, you donkey. You think building a strong financial future is easy? It's a bloody battlefield out there. You need to be smart, strategic, and know your ass from your elbow. One wrong move and you'll be drowning in debt, serving up scraps for the rest of your life. We're here to talk about two choices, trading and investing. Both can make you money, but they're as different as a Michelin star restaurant and a greasy spoon. Understand the difference or get out of my kitchen. Trading is like flipping burgers. You're in and out trying to make a quick buck. Buy low, sell high, that's the name of the game. You're looking for quick price changes, not long-term growth. Think day trading, scalping, all that high-speed stuff. It's exciting, fast-paced, but risky as hell. One minute you're riding high, the next you're scraping burnt bits off the grill. Remember, speed is key here. You need to be on top of market trends, news, everything. It's not for the faint of heart, but get it right and you'll be swimming in dough. Investing is a different beast altogether. This is about slow, steady growth. You're buying quality ingredients, letting them simmer over time and creating something truly delicious. Think stocks, bonds, real estate. You're in it for the long haul, years, even decades. You ride out the market dips and savor the sweet taste of compounding returns. It's less exciting than trading, sure, but it's a hell of a lot less stressful. You're building a foundation, not chasing after every shiny object that comes along. Both trading and investing require skills, you numpties. You think you can just waltz in and make millions? Trading is all about analysis. You need to understand charts, technical indicators, all that jargon. You need to be decisive, quick thinking, and able to stomach the heat. Investing, on the other hand, is about patience and discipline. You need to do your research, choose your investments wisely, and then have the guts to stick with them, even when things get rough. Neither is easy, but master the right skills and you'll be well on your way to financial success. Section 5. Example time. Let's dive into some fascinating stories that illustrate the highs and lows of the financial world, from rags to riches or not. The journey from poverty to wealth is often romanticized, but it's not always a straightforward path. Let's talk real-world examples, shall we? These stories will show you the unpredictable nature of the financial markets. Remember that dot-com bubble back in the day? It was a time of wild speculation and unprecedented growth in internet-related stocks. Traders were making a killing, buying and selling internet stocks like they were going out of style. It seemed like everyone was getting rich overnight. Then the bubble burst, and those who didn't get out in time lost their shirts. Fortunes were wiped out in the blink of an eye. Now look at Warren Buffett. The man's a legend. He's known for his long-term investment strategy and his ability to stay calm during market turmoil. He's been investing for decades, buying quality companies and holding on to them for dear life. His approach is all about patience and due diligence. He's seen market crashes, recessions, the whole bloody lot. And guess what? He remains unfazed, sticking to his principles. He's still laughing all the way to the bank. See the difference? His wealth wasn't built overnight, but through consistent, smart investing. Trading can be incredibly lucrative, but it's a high-risk, high-reward game. The thrill of quick gains can be intoxicating, but the risks are equally high. Investing, on the other hand, is slower, steadier, and ultimately more reliable. It's about building wealth over time, not chasing quick wins. So whether you choose to trade or invest, remember that each path has its own set of challenges and rewards. The key is to stay informed, be patient, and make decisions that align with your financial goals. Section 6. Risk. Don't burn the dinner. Let's talk risk, you muppets. When you're trading, it's like you're in a high-stakes kitchen. One wrong move and everything can go up in flames. You need to be sharp, quick, and always on your toes. Trading is like playing with fire. You might think you have everything under control, but one small mistake can lead to a disaster. Imagine holding a lit match near a pile of money. It's thrilling, but also incredibly risky. You can get burned badly, very quickly. The market can turn against you in an instant, leaving you with nothing but ashes. It's a harsh reality that every trader must face. One wrong move and you've lost everything. Your hard-earned money, your confidence, and sometimes even your sanity. It's a high-risk game that requires nerves of steel and a clear strategy. Investing, on the other hand, is like simmering a stew. It's a slow and steady process. You add your ingredients, let them blend together and give it time to develop. It's not as exciting as trading, but it's much safer. It takes time for the flavors to develop, and there's always a chance it won't turn out perfectly. But with patience and the right mix of ingredients, you can create something truly rewarding. But the risk is much lower, especially if you diversify your portfolio. By spreading your investments across different assets, you reduce the impact of any single loss. It's like having multiple pots on the stove, each with its own unique flavor. Remember, never invest more than you can afford to lose. This golden rule applies to both trading and investing. Always protect your financial well-being and avoid overextending yourself. That goes for both trading and investing. Balance is key. You need to weigh the risks and rewards carefully, ensuring that you're not putting all your eggs in one basket. Be smart, be strategic, and don't be a bloody idiot sandwich. Plan your moves, understand the risks, and always have a backup plan. In the world of finance, a little caution goes a long way. Section 7. Time, instant ramen versus fine wine. Time is a crucial ingredient in both trading and investing. Trading is like instant ramen. It's quick, easy, and can be satisfying in the moment, but it's not a long-term solution. Investing is like fine wine. It takes time to mature, but the rewards can be extraordinary. The longer you hold on to your investments, the more they have the potential to grow. So ask yourself, are you looking for a quick fix, or are you in it for the long haul? Your answer will determine which strategy is right for you. Section 8. You, the head chef of your money. Imagine yourself as the master chef in a bustling kitchen, but instead of culinary ingredients, you're working with financial tools and strategies. Just like a chef crafts a meal, you have the power to shape your financial future. At the end of the day, the choice is yours. You hold the reins and you get to decide the direction you want to take. Whether you want to be conservative or adventurous, the decision lies in your hands. You're the head chef of your own financial future. This means you have the autonomy to select the ingredients that will go into your financial recipe. These ingredients could be stocks, bonds, real estate, or even savings accounts. Each ingredient has its own unique flavor and potential. You decide what ingredients to use, how long to cook them, and what kind of dish you want to create. Do you want a quick, spicy dish that requires constant attention, or a slow-cooked, hearty meal that takes time to develop its flavors? The choice is entirely up to you. If you're a thrill seeker, comfortable with risk, and have the time and energy to dedicate to it, trading might be your thing. Trading is like preparing a flambé dish. It's exciting, fast-paced, and can yield high rewards if done correctly. But remember, it also comes with its own set of risks. But if you're looking for a more hands-off approach, prefer slow and steady growth, and have the patience to wait for your investments to mature, then investing is the way to go. Investing is like slow cooking a stew. It requires patience and time, but the end result is often rewarding and fulfilling. There's no right or wrong answer here. Just like in cooking, different people have different tastes and preferences. Some might prefer the thrill of trading, while others might lean towards the stability of long-term investing. It's all about what works best for you, your personality, and your financial goals. Take the time to understand your own risk tolerance, your financial objectives, and the amount of time you can dedicate to managing your finances. By doing so, you'll be able to craft a financial strategy that suits your unique needs and helps you achieve your goals. Section 9. Conclusion. Service. So there you have it. The difference between trading and investing, laid out on a plate for you. Now get out there and start cooking up your financial future. And for God's sake, don't screw it up.